Okay, my friends, Crystal here, and I want to show you how simple it is to apply 3D foundation. I am working out of my One Compact Makeup, applying my contour in the areas where I want to enhance my natural definition in my face. I'm applying the contour under my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and my jawline, and a little bit under my lip to enhance my lips a bit. Next, I am applying my main foundation just in the areas where I have not applied my contour. I'm blending as I go underneath my eyes since I'm using a smaller brush just to kind of combat that step all in one. Then I'm going in with my brightening highlight in the inner and outer corners of my eyes, still blending as I go, applying it between the eyebrows and down the center of the nose. And now watch the magic happen. Just sprayed a little bit of setting spray on my blush and bronzer brush, and I'm going to blend from the lightest to the darkest. And for the final step, I'm just going to add some bronzer because I just cannot live without our Bella bronzer to add the warmth back into my skin, and popping on a neutral lip and cheek shade, and I'm finished for the day.